Hi, I'm Miss Duncan, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about our printmaking class that we're offering at Parkview for next year. You're going to see in the registration process that you have several art classes to choose from, drawing one, pottery one, and photography one. Printmaking is a new class that will be printmaking one class for you. You can see the first screen is an image of somebody working with some printmaking materials. Printmaking is the art of multiples. You are carving into a surface of some kind or creating a matrix of some kind that can then be printed multiple times on different surfaces. Traditionally, it's printed on paper or fabric. The process in the class will go through the four main forms of printmaking techniques, and then we will expand upon those into more advanced application of those processes, along with learning drawing techniques and mixed media applications of the different printmaking processes. One of the main forms, let's go back this way. Block printing is one of the forms of printmaking that we explore in our Visual Art 1 and drawing class to some extent. It's a lot like making a stamp that you can then put some ink on the surface and create an image from that. It's a lot of fun. It requires a little bit of carving. We typically work pretty small, and then in more advanced applications might go a little bit larger and more detail. You can do this on wood or a linoleum or rubber-like surface. Here you see an example of etching. An etching can be done in a piece of plexiglass with a sharp tool that will scratch into it, or onto a piece of metal that is then etched into. The ink is pushed into the lines, and then the image is created, and we print it using a printing press onto damp paper. We've done this in drawing class already. The students that have some experience with this would then get to do more advanced applications of this as well. Here's an example of somebody. You can see the little needle tool pressing into the plexiglass to scratch the material and create the image. We'll also learn screen printing. Screen printing is a lot like when t-shirts are made. They push ink through a screen that has some kind of an image on it to create the image or design. It's used to make t-shirts, posters, or textiles, or just fine art. Here's a guy that made a screen printed t-shirt, and you can see the textiles behind him. Lithography is a lot like drawing. It's a very flat form of printmaking, and it really is about more of a chemical process that students go through. We will explore photorealistic screen printing techniques that can be done in the classroom setting. And that is it for our printmaking. Oops, for our printmaking explanation, and I'd love to see you in this class. This is something that I'm really excited about, and hopefully you'll want to give it a try. Thanks.